Welcome to the Indian Girl Stateside. I have 2 master's degrees in economics. I've traveled through multiple continents, and I'm here to talk to you about altcoins and which ones to invest in as far as altcoins are concerned, what you need to look at in order to avoid being scammed. There are a little over 1,300 crypto coins. If you look at the market cap of the top 10, number one comes into play is Bitcoin. Number two is Ethereum. Number three is Bitcoin Cash. And then there's a couple in between. And then number seven, you have Litecoin. All in all, when I invest in basically cryptocurrencies, I invest in three major ones, which is Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is up there. I do want to share one recent scam story, that of a company or cryptocurrency called Confido, which was a startup which raised about $300,000 in investment money through an ICO. Then, according to reports, the company quickly disappeared. Although the startup was able to raise 3 rounds of capital from unsuspecting investors who wanted to own a piece of the company's trustless, quote unquote, trustless escrow payment solution using a broker called TokenLot, Confido looked pretty legitimate and had a leadership team with headshots and even published a pseudo white paper. Just as they appeared quickly, they disappeared as fast as they appeared. And according to certain sources, they took down their social media pages and profiles and YouTube videos, although apparently there's still some pages left. Their FBI has been engaged as far as researching and investigating this. But what this example goes to show is that not all cryptocurrencies are legitimate. Apparently, I'm not sure if this is hearsay, but there is a celebrity crypto coin. I believe it's Paris Hilton's crypto coin. So there's some out there that are legit. There's some out there that are not legit. I just wanted to kind of bring it up in this episode. The three coins, as I'd mentioned earlier, that are pedigree coins are basically anchored in talent institution, compared to the rest of the 1,300 cryptocurrencies that are out there. They are definitely not gimmicks. Bitcoin has been in existence over the past couple of years. Ethereum as well. In fact, Ethereum basic technology has been incorporated by major companies like IBM, Intel, so on and so forth. So they have that what you call it, the namesake, as far as the name keep, as far as the backing is concerned. Don't believe in just the websites when looking at altcoins, because websites can be fancy, can basically show as Confido's scamming, when you can have shots of executives, pictures, etc. But really, there may be instances, or there have been instances, where we've seen prices go up one day significantly and then drop the next day without much information, actually no information as to the increase in price over the past day or so. So essentially, be aware of these gimmicks. The The other thing that I want to bring up was, if you look at Bitcoin, it is going to be part of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange futures market. That legitimizes a lot of the currency. Also, there are hedge fund managers and other institutions, investment institutions, that are looking at these top couple of cryptocurrencies that are out there. Obviously, these companies have put in a lot of research, manpower, and effort into kind of figuring out whether these top currencies are legitimate or not. So I'm not recommending this, but certainly research any altcoins, because I know I've spoken to a couple of people and they've said, we're looking at the next best Bitcoin, but you should certainly research, and figure out if this company or this cryptocurrency is actually legitimate currency to invest in. So just all in all, a couple of things to break it down for you. Research as much as you can as far as the cryptocurrency is concerned. If it's fairly new, research even more. Number two is actually look at institutional backing. Look at big names that have already researched these cryptocurrencies. Because all in all, if you have plenty of money to invest in, hey, great, go ahead, and if you're able to sustain the loss, if company goes out of business, more power to you. But if you are someone like a middle class person like myself, please research and investigate your options. Thank you so much for listening to the Indian Girl Stateside. If please feel free to support these videos by taking advantage of Genesis Mining and signing up for Genesis Mining, where you'll get a 3% discount. So the link is provided below. Also, if you do have any suggestions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you do like these videos, please do hit the subscribe button and hit a thumbs up. More than happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening.